This wall is not just paint and plaster. It's a story, a memory, and a warning. On this side, the earth breathes freely. Green meadows roll across hills. Forests are alive with birdsong. Forts rise from the heart of nature, not above it. Rivers flow clean and proud, nourishing life wherever they go. This was our planet, in balance. A time when humans were part of nature, not apart from it. But shift your gaze, and the scene changes. The trees are gone, rivers run black with waste, concrete replaces forest, wildflowers are replaced by plastic. Development has come, but at the cost of our home. This mural doesn't just show what was and what is. It silently asks, what will be? Will we let this be our legacy? Or will we change the story? To those who painted this, thank you for this truth. Now let's honor it. Let's protect our forests. Watch over our rivers. Say no to pollution, and say yes to a future our children will thank us for. Because this wall is not just art, it's a mirror. And a map to a greener tomorrow.